Hi, I'm Alan and I'm the owner of my games. I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on how to flip an image in a different way instead of two for loops. Um, but only can flip upside down and sideways only. Different sideways only. Because it's not doing two for loops. I'm just trying to prove that only two for loops can all flip anything as you want. But I'm just gonna prove it to you that by flipping another way with this grid only, this grid. This is a simple grid. So first of all, okay, right mouse click on anything desktop background, click new folder, um, the basic Java, that is only basic Java. It's not really good at business. It's just flipping images because you already have it in cell phone already. Um, and click this one. Uh, file, works, switch workspace, browse, desktop, select folder, launch. Uh, so you have to have some new project. Practice flipping image with two P's to be a real grammar image. Finish. So this is my project folder down here. That's connected with the metadata. And click on this one. Right mouse click on this one. Click new package. You can name anything as you want. I just want to reduce more names, so that was more organized. I don't want to name like everything like bunch of names everywhere, so it'd be messy sometimes and easy to forget. So then the same thing. This is package. Right mouse on package. Click new Java class down here. Click just name it flipping image. You have to name it differently than practice flipping images. Uh, finish. So far, I'm just going to do this one first. Public public flipping image. Public static void main string dot args. Flipping image f equals new flipping image. So far I finished this one. The basic coding, start of the coding only. So I'll just click play to see is it no errors. Should be this one should be a minor error. It's just no variables used. It means doing nothing so far. Make sure the index is proper. So far just input whatever needed from the Java Standard Edition. Again, just always reference from this one. Well, so far, our entire what I'm gonna use is uh, draw image painting graphics. So this one, um, found graphics. The one that I don't use for loop is this one. Draw image is simply just um this one. The only flipping around with width and height. That you have to have two for loops within a like for loop within a for loop, like length and height for loops. Then it will flip anything as well. I'm just trying to prove that you have to have two for loops at least to flip anything with directions you want. But this will only flip upside down and sideways only. This is trying to prove you only like the only way of flipping it. That yeah. Afterwards, I'm gonna prove it to you. So use so extends JFrame import Java AWT graphics import Java AWT image import Java X image 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 IO import Java IO file. Yeah, so this is the start of it. Now I'm gonna make it as a private, as a call variable, because before that was only important packages, not really using any not really using any Java classes. Not using Java classes right now. Oh, this is only packages. You see down here, it say packages, only important packages. But like down here is Java class. See Java class. So this is Java class now. It's part of this. You can see image and image down here. Now Java class down here. Before it's package down here. We just all going up from to downwards. Uh, pirate string file length. Uh, file link. Save. This will save us backup. Um, or save us as another file backup. Just um, just drag this grid down here, a sync one. So it will duplicate it afterwards. We'll click OK. See, OK, and get this. Let me I want you to try a new way of properties. So right mouse click on parties details. I'm trying a new way of doing this. So just right mouse. No, you cannot right mouse on this one. So this way, Control C on this sneak as heck. Control V. Oh, but Control C, Control V. Oh, it doesn't work now. Doesn't work in this way. So this Control C from here. Just click down this one. Click this folder outside folder and just highlight everything and just copy it. Copy and paste it. Down here have double dash. But let me double check. Is the same thing afterwards? Right. I'm not sure it's the same thing right now. No, it's not the same thing. You see, like this dash is flipping to your word right side, but this dash. Oh, actually, why did it change this by itself? Oh. So you see down here it's flipping to left side, see down the right side. Now it's correct now. It's flipping on right side is right. So this one should be correct then. Let's try it in a new way. I think this update by itself express. I'm trying a new one, like new ways of doing that. So just copy from this one. Before it didn't work. Yeah, just copy it and paste it. I think it should works now. Because before is a different. I think just updated not too long ago. Private int file image with. So just copy this, and paste it. You cannot name this both the same variables. Also duplicate it. This is called creating new variables. This is creating new variables, creating new variables. If you use it, and this is renaming that way you created new variables already. Just name it height. Uh, so create a new subclass. This is the image method that you have to return same variable method. Else, if you without returning the method, it will be making no sense. Else it does nothing. So you have to return an image. That's why it seems like having some errors. Create an obvious empty is not. Is just start beginning. It means nothing until the end. It means something else. Like when you click compile, play or something. At the end of the output, it does something else. Uh, image io dot read read see input, but its input is the filing. Oh, spell wrong. Filing. I need to catch it if there's any errors. Exception E. Oops. Wasn't click the Windows button. System out. This is to read the errors down here description. If I ever hit um any errors afterwards. If I play run. And this is a L, lowercase L. Looks like an I. It's actually a lowercase L. And E get message. Whatever I have, this thing means it does some task. And you can put anything inside, like inside this, that it does something within inside a task. And create a new paint. Create a void paint graphics paint. Oh, this put this a bit afterwards, else it doesn't seem to make sense. Um, I'll do like this one first. Like start from beginning to bottom. I mean bottom to top. Um, so let's do this afterwards. So this is graphics is down here in search an API. Google search the Java Standard Edition API document inside Google and you just click that link just to get that just to get that reference, coding reference, so you know what to code and painting dot draw image. You use this, no, don't use this one. Use the other one. So this is load images x. Um, so this is the one that I'm trying to prove you that you have to have two for loops. So it means within for loop, like two for loops. Um, like this, you change the pixels only. That's why I have to change the pixels within two for loops. You only flip any ways as you want. But so far, there's only one way of flipping it, which is upside down and side. That's why I'm trying to prove that you have to have two for loops, like flip with and within a for loop height of 2 pixels. So you can so we adjust the so can we just any so can we just any so can we just any flipping as you want afterwards. So almost done. Uh e workflows operation cap locks on exit underscore on underscore underscore close cut locks off set visible true. So I'm basically done, but I'll prove you why this have to be negative because it will flip in opposite side. That it, like because I'm trying to tell the truth. Okay, maybe I should tell you that this put negative first. Prove that it works. Works first. Double check everything first. Click OK. But oh, okay, but it's not working. Oh, I forgot return statement. Sorry. As I told you that from before, I guess that you have to return the the uh, variable method. Like to create, actually I told you, I remember now. To create a method variable, you have to return it back. The variable, also variable method be useless. Before it didn't work because I didn't return it back, so it should work now. Oh, my God. Okay, question 30. That's not with file link. Oh, maybe this one does not work actually somehow. Okay, maybe I'll give on that one. Doesn't work. I should use this one then. Just use this one. Control. It's before I was using this one, but I think it doesn't work anymore. I think it never does work actually. And dash dash. Like a different type of dashing everywhere. Oh, should work now. Let's see. Oh, Air 3V. Wow, like, God. Oh, sorry. You have to be new file. This one. Sorry, I'm typing too fast. Now it works. But let me double check this one actually works. It'd be interesting if this one works right now. Because before it was flipping toward to your own left hand side. Now it's right hand side. So I'm just going to try again just to make sure what I said is my mistake. Oh, no, it doesn't work. Well, I guess I was right before. That had to be this one. Just copy from this one. This one, click this one, Control C or something, and put this in the end. The PNG file. You can put as JPEG and receive as JPEG file, image file, but also using PNG just for fun. Um, so it should work now. Yeah, now it works. It's just don't copy this link. It doesn't work. That's what I did before. Yeah, and before I mistake, I forgot this one, and I forgot return method before. Yeah, I was going a bit too fast. Sorry. And if because the reason that you have to put negative and negative because the negative direction is going down here in the canvas, J-frame canvas, I guess. Like it's going down, and this is uh yeah, this is like going down and down like this. It should be it should be a bit different than other ones. With height. No, I don't, to be honest, actually it should be opposite. It's not because negative width should be it should be positive width if it's in the canvas. Like I show you draw a line from the last tutorial. The going positive is XY axis should be going this side, like to your right. But going negative on the y-axis, it will be going downwards. But so far, this negative width, it means not going x or y-axis anymore. You see down here, it's not actually x or y-axis. It's actually negative 1 or positive 1 so far. Negative 1 means going opposite of this down here. And this is, yeah, this you get me. It means opposite. Means you have to be opposite flipping. Else, else it doesn't really work that properly. So you see, it works. So it had to be negative with negative. So if it's all positive, you flip to the opposite direction, which is off screen. Because this corner, see, you flipped it by accident. See, well actually, by accident did it actually. By accident show you the proof that it flipped the opposite direction. Yeah, before I thought it's this like flipping more this direction, but actually flipping this direction. Yeah, I told you that what happened before. So actually, it'd be pretty cool if I know how to flip in other directions as well. But I just never tested that far. Yeah, that weird. Yeah, but I just expanded it. Yeah, see, it flips to. If it's even the opposite of flipping direction, it's not. It's not really like Um, yeah, it's getting a bit confusing. What is the center down here? Okay, okay, maybe it's a bit confusing, but Java is just how confusing it is. You get a point. The maybe more for loops, two for loops more organized, changing pixels. Right now it's getting all messed up because it's not really X and Y axis down here. Yeah, X it's not really this and this. It's more flipping it somewhere else. Yeah, I think I finished my tutorial, so in the end, just put like this. It's just more simple. Just flip it around. That's why you should always have two for loops in each pixels. Now I'm trying to improve that it's a bit different. Yeah, thank you. See ya.